Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day look. I have a new kind of angle. I have you up a little bit higher, so hopefully y'all like it. I don't know how this is going to turn out, but it's like 10 o'clock at night and I'm just now filming. Anyway, let's just get into it. So first I'm going to prime, and this is my Cover FX blurring primer because, you know, you want to be looking snatched for Valentine's Day for your mans. So I wanted to do like some glitter and like a red eye maybe, or like, I don't know, like pinkish, or maybe I'll do like a neutral eye with some glitter on it. I don't know. And then I'm also just gonna, I love like all three of these. I just like alternate which one I like to use. Let me get a headband. Alright, so I want to use a good foundation. So I've got my Estee Lauder Double Wear. Mine's in the color 2N1 Desert Beige, but this one is sometimes, or it was too light for me last time. I don't know what it'll look like now. It might be a touch too light. I don't know. This was my color last year. Literally at this time. So I'm gonna put on a little bit of that, and then it's just a little light. Oh, I know. I'll mix in my Urban Decay because this is way too dark. This is in 4.5. I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm gonna take my Morphe sponge just to begin with and dab into that darker color on the back of my hand. I just feel like the Urban Decay one really oxidizes a lot. But I feel like mixing these two foundations are the perfect like foundation for me, kinda, because I wore this all day, and I'm talking all day, and it didn't move. And I have like combo oily skin. I used to have oilier skin in high school. I feel like this side of my body's like not lit up enough. Can I move this without messing everything up? I know some people really love this foundation, but I feel like it's a little too just thick on its own. So that's a really good mixing foundation. Not that if you want to buy that, you have to mix it, but especially for the price. But anyway, I'm going to mix two concealers, ColourPop in Fair 08 and the Makeup Revolution in C3. And I might end up putting some Shape Tape on, don't really know. But I've been really loving these concealers, and they're cheap, so that's good, you know. And this one's a little darker, so I like to mix because I bought the ColourPop one online, so I didn't know for sure what my shade was. I'm really proud of myself because I have edited well, I edited an Instagram video. I edited another video, like a little haul that I did, and it was a drugstore haul. It should be up by the time this video is up. And I also edited and uploaded a vlog yesterday, but I haven't published them yet. I've just edited them. Should we add some Shape Tape? This is in Fair. This is probably light. Ooh, yeah, hang on. Just gotta find the right one. That one's a little darker. This one's Fair Beige. I think I'm gonna use my Peach Perfect setting powder, because the Peach Perfect just makes your under eyes look amazing, like flawless. And then with the rest of that powder, I'm just going to go ahead and set the rest of my face. Anyway, and y'all, I love this water right here. It doesn't have to be the peach one. I love strawberry. What was another one I drank? I think they have a watermelon one, but the strawberry is my favorite. I think I'm going to just go ahead and go into the James Charles palette, because it's got a lot of what I need in there. So I just went ahead and concealed, and I put some, I set it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and go into this color right here with a fluffy brush. So I was thinking kind of like pinks and stuff, but I think I have another idea of doing like pinks and stuff. So I think I'm just gonna do kind of a neutral eye with like pink glitter, because I have this glitter from JCat. It's, what color? Champagne Kiss, and it's kind of like a pink color. So I think I might do that. I feel like with a red top like I'm wearing, like I feel like it needs to be like classy. So right now I'm just going to take this color and this color and mix those in the crease. I hope this is a good angle. I didn't zoom you in. Do y'all like when I zoom you in? I'm just gonna zoom you in a little bit. That was a lot of it, but I'm gonna take a Morphe M433 and go ahead and go into that darker brown right there. I might even end up taking a little bit of the black, and then I'm just gonna take that fluffy brush again and just blend that. So I feel like I want a little bit of like a hue of like pink or like mauve, so I'm just gonna go into this color right here, add a little bit, like a light pink. It doesn't add much, but you can definitely tell that it's there. So kind of like a base for the glitter, I'm gonna go ahead and just pop this color on the lid.
I don't love this color.
I'm making sure I'm gonna go into the inner corner, because I do not want to have to really go over that later. Just because I know there's gonna be glitter there. So you could definitely stop here. You could definitely just stop here. You could do whatever with just like this basic eye look. So I meant to open these before. I have like a more pink and a more gold glitter. So I think I want this pink glitter at first. I don't know if I'll add any of the gold, but we're definitely gonna start with the pink. I've got my NYX glitter glue here, or glitter primer. I'm gonna take this little brush. It came with an eyeliner, but I use it for everything else but eyeliner. So I'm just going to start putting that. I could probably do this faster with my hand, but oh well.
I really just want to like take some on my finger. Oh my gosh, I just got everywhere. Love that. Oh my gosh, that was too much. I love it.
I'm literally gonna have glitter all over my face for the rest of my life. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray my face real quick. Since I put on, oh my gosh, since I put on like powders and stuff. So I'm just gonna take my Park Avenue Princess by Tarte. Man, that mirror's dirty. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of my e.l.f. blush. I think this one's the light one. And I'm just gonna mix all of them. I love blush. Just makes everything come back to life. No, I don't know why, but like I just heard a car door close outside. It just like freaks me out inside a little bit. I don't know. And like I want to like look outside and be like, who's here? You know? But anyway, that might just be me. So now I'm gonna take my Makeup Revolution one, my highlight. And like I hear people outside talking, I'm like, I love this highlight. And like this is drugstore, y'all. Like, what are y'all doing? I think I'm gonna go into this color and this color and that color. And maybe a little bit of that. Connect those. Ooh, I just dipped into the wrong color, y'all. Hope it was not shimmery.
My laptop is about to die. Stand up, right, smoke. Right.
That's about all I'm gonna do for my lower lash line, just because I don't usually do a lot. I'm just gonna put some, well, do I want to do eyeliner? I don't think I'm gonna do like all eyeliner, but I am gonna take a pencil eyeliner and just go on the edge. I'm just gonna do a little bit. I stopped like right here. Okay, that kind of looks bad over here, but anyway. I'm gonna tight line. I hate doing that. Alrighty, so, and I'm not putting anything in the waterline. You totally could if you do that, but I don't do that often. And you could totally leave it just like this, but I am going to go ahead and put on some lashes. So I bought these from Walmart. They're the Kiss Blowout Lash Pixie 02, and I bought 2 packs of the 4 because they're only $4. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply these, and I'll be right back and we'll finish up with the lips. Alright, so I just put these lashes on, and I completely forgot about my brows, so I'm just gonna do them really quick. I don't really do much to my brows anyway. Just throw a pencil through them most days. This color. Maybe I'll mix, and then I've got kind of a hot pink. I was like, are you broken? No. Let's put the darker one on first. It's a bit more purple than I thought it was gonna be. Next. Okay, I'm not loving that color either. We're probably going to go with one of my nudes that I always do. So I've got this little sample of this Tarte lip paint. Yeah, computer just died. This is in the color Birthday Suit. That's low-key purple too though. Why don't I have the perfect nude? I don't really like that one either. I think, no, this one's purple too. I can already, yeah, these are like all the same color. Okay, let's try again. Let me just go ahead and put some chapstick on first. This one doesn't look purple. And I wanted to put this Wet n Wild Libra gloss on. It's really pretty. It adds like iridescent glitter. Yes, queen. I'm talking to my lips, not myself. So if you've made it this far, if you have made it this far, God bless your little soul. Oh my goodness. Alrighty. Take this headband out. My ears are hurting. Oh. So, I hope that y'all enjoyed this look. I know we had a few bumps in the road. Do y'all ever feel like the same lash does not look the same on the other eye as it does on the do you ever feel like one lash doesn't look the same on one eye as it does the other? Because that's how I'm feeling right now. But I really do like these lashes, even though I just put this on and this one's already coming off on the inner corner. That's my fault. But oh, it didn't set. I didn't set it on one place, and I'm gonna use my Milani Make It Last because, you know. Ooh. Y'all, I'm telling you, this smells so good. I don't even know what it smells like. Anyway, if you've made it this far, I hope y'all give me a big thumbs up. I hope that y'all like this type of video. You know, like, it's kind of Valentine's Day, date night. Plus, like, I used some of the products, my new products that I got. So, anyway, hope y'all enjoyed this, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Oh, this video is a mess.